In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can block all calls from unknown numbers. So if you don't want to receive any calls from numbers that you have not saved in your contact book, then you can do so on your Android smartphone. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your phone book, and here is mine. Then I'll go ahead and tap on it. Then from here, tap on this more option here, or ellipsis function, and then tap on settings. Now under settings, look for the option called blocked numbers. So if I go ahead and tap on blocked numbers, you can see I have quite a number of numbers that have been blocked. So to block all calls from unidentified callers, go ahead and toggle on this. And now all unidentified contacts or new numbers cannot call me, they'll be blocked. So that's how you block calls from new numbers or from unidentified callers. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.